looks like we got chains required. Looks like we'll be throwing some chains on for Lookout Pass. First time this season throwing chains. And it's not even technically winter yet. What's up with that? We're gonna see if we can find ourselves a spot up here. Yeah, that's not a good spot right there. There's got to be another spot up ahead. Look at this guy, he's in shorts. Did you see that? That guy's in shorts throwing chains on. Wow. Oh yeah, I see a spot right up there. This guy's putting chains. I could have parked right here. Let's go to this spot. Alright. Yeah, we're gonna pull in right here and throw some chains. Alright, I know it's a little dark, but we got the chains on. You can hear them in the background. Not so much right there, but now you should be able to. Not so bad up here, still pretty slick. We're gonna check out the downhill side. We're just going up the mountain right now. I am glad I got them on though. Especially being bare and empty. Yeah, I don't mind. Yeah, I definitely don't mind. I did see a lot of truckers blow by without chaining up. Wouldn't want to be them if they got a ticket for that. And here's the top of Lookout. You see the sign right there. We're gonna definitely slow down. A lot more snow up here. Pretty slick. Oh, looks like we might have an accident up ahead. Or is that just lights from the snowplow? I think that's just lights from the snowplow. Yeah, false alarm. That's just a tow truck, I think. Yeah, this is just all slippery. False alarm, just a tow truck. Of December, and this is what is already happening up on Lookout. So we have another situation here. It's almost like a whiteout, snowing very hard, doing about 40 miles per hour because I'm the snowplow at this point. I think I'm gonna call it a night. As soon as I find a place to pull over. didn't realize it's supposed to snow this hard. We got a snow plow on the other side. We're gonna let this car just zoom right past me. Another super trucker in this snow. Incredible. Now I'm really blind. Now I really can't see. Yeah, that does not help any. Let's slow down a little bit. Where'd this guy come from? Oh, it's a cattle hauler. Go figure. Those bull haulers are nothing to play around with, man. They know exactly what they're doing. I can't see nothing. Look at that. Let's just slow down a little bit. Let this snow clear. It's snowing pretty good. We got ice building up on the windshield wipers there. Might have to pull over and knock some of that ice off. Just had to pull over because the ice building on the windshield wipers were so bad. All that ice was pretty much blind. But we do need to look for a spot to pull over. I'm thinking about 11 miles. We might be able to pull off there. This is pretty gnarly. Near whiteout conditions. Cannot see the road. A couple inches on the road at least. Pretty much making my own tracks right now. I can barely, I can see the edge there. You know how they cut out the little grooves? I can see that. Well, we gotta get off the road. Call it a night.